What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 1 of Subie Needs Some Love series. And in the last 5 years, I've only installed cosmetic mods on it, such as headlights, fog lights, third brake light, and a custom shift knob. But first, here's a sound clip of the OEM stock exhaust. It's been my daily driver. I didn't really find the need to change anything performance-wise. I've been teaching my wife how to drive stick, and since that, she requested to change up the exhaust sounds. I chose a Nameless Muffler Delete Axleback as an entry-level performance exhaust. Now I'm going to show you the steps and how I did it. First, I positioned the plastic ramps. Then I placed wheel chocks in the front tires just to make sure the car moves forward and not hitting my Supra. Then I managed to use the floor jack to lift the car up a bit and place some jack stands underneath just for extra safety. Call it overkill, but safety is key and I don't want to get injured working on my car. As you can see, this is the area where we're going to be working on. Just for demonstration purposes, we're going to use our old-fashioned WD-40 to loosen up the bolts if they are rusted. Now for the tools, I'm using a Ryobi impact tool and a 15mm wrench. Now there are 2 hangers on each side of the muffler. Spray some WD-40 on it, keep it lubricated so it's going to be easier for us to remove the muffler. Don't be afraid to reposition, do your best to wiggle it around, do some movements until you take off the muffler from the hangers. Hopefully she'll enjoy driving the car with a better sounding exhaust, so stay tuned for a reaction video after I install the exhaust. Now here's a visual orientation of what the hangers look like inside without the mufflers attached. Now for the driver's side, the wire pipe is a little bit shorter. There's less clearance for your impact driver to get in there, so you're going to need that impact driver extension. Now I found a good deal on Facebook Marketplace and I bought this exhaust from Rick, and he's very sentimental about this set of exhaust. He loved his WRX for a long time and unfortunately it got totaled. He got into an accident and it seems like it was really hard for him to let go of this Axleback exhaust. Here's a quick comparison of the stock exhaust versus the Nameless Muffler Delete Axleback exhaust. Now, Rick suggested to buy these gaskets just to make sure we don't have any exhaust leak. Since the pipes joined together have like a little bit of space and it's not perfectly flush, the gasket really helps to secure both pipes in place and will be preventing any exhaust leaks. I'm going to place a link down below from Amazon where you can buy these gaskets for cheap. Feel free to leave a comment down below if there's anything I need to improve on, or if there was any tips that you wanted to add. That would be very useful. This is a learning video, and for me, I would appreciate any input, anything informative and educational for the viewers. Now I used the floor jack to remove the jack stands underneath the car. Let's turn the car on, listen to the cold start, and some idle exhaust sounds from the Nameless Axleback Muffler Delete exhaust. Now let's do some revs and hear what the Axleback sounds like. the clutch in second gear, and then you just rev it to like 3,000 RPMs to 4,000. We got pops.
Second year lang. So naka-neutral lang ka to?
Di, naka second gear ko, but you dump the clutch. Mura siya neutral. But you're still on second gear.
I-push niya.
Mo lang siya steady. Ano lang, second gear.
Ano? Nakatapak rin ako second gear mo ha?
Tapak ng clutch.
Ano? Low-key lang siya ba? Nami pop! Nami pop! Come on! Nami pop!
May popcorn.
Popcorn! Pop pop pop!
Now there you have it. My wife is happy with the Axleback exhaust. Thanks again for watching and hanging out. If you do like this video, please do subscribe, leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.